This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use file folders. First, gather all the papers you need to organize. This initial step ensures you have everything in one place before sorting. Next, decide on a main categorization system that makes sense for your needs, whether it's by topic, date, or project. This foundation is crucial for an effective filing system. Now, let's categorize your documents. Group similar items together like all tax forms or medical records. Then, create clear and concise labels for each folder. For example, Form 1099 or Medical Bills. If a category becomes too large, consider using subfolders to break it down further, ensuring everything remains easy to find. Maintaining your system is vital for its effectiveness. Set a schedule to regularly review your folders, perhaps once every 3 months. Remove any outdated or unnecessary documents to prevent clutter. Consistency is truly key. Always file new papers immediately to avoid piles. This proactive approach keeps your system efficient and easy to use. For advanced organization, consider integrating digital and physical filing. Scan important documents to create digital backups, then file the physical copies. Always ensure sensitive papers, like those with personal financial information, are stored securely. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. A well-organized system saves time and reduces stress, making your life much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.